Joe Beermaster of a 2014 Nissan Rogue. I'm going to show you how to take this tail light out. The outer tail light to change a bulb or to remove the assembly. First thing you have to do is open the hatch. This is already being worked on for auto body work. But when you open the hatch, you'll see a 10mm bolt. So you want to get a ratchet and get that off. We already loosened it. Now there's 3 push pins that hold it in from this point on. There's one under here and 2 on this side. So you want to first try to wiggle it. Well, this came out, but if it doesn't come out easy, you put one hand here, you hit it with the other hand, and it will come out. You have to tap it. So we'll take that out. Here, take it out. And if you want to change the bulbs, here's the push pins. Push pin. If you want to change the bulb, you just basically twist the socket and you pull the bulb out. And at the bottom of the bulb, you can't see it now, but there is a little number, or you could call your local supply house. There are little numbers on there. And tell them what it's for. You can say it's for the turn signal, it's for the brake light,